Hi guys, so in this session we'll be talking on how to make a fabulous puffy bow as you've seen in the picture, and I'll also be using this fascinator base I actually molded in our last session if you've been following this channel. So I've actually removed the block and I have other things I'll be using: my loop, the measuring tape, some fabric, the U gum, the plastic millinery wire, and some artificial flowers, and our scissors. So up next is just how to attach this plastic millinery wire to the fascinator base, and that is just what I'm actually showing you. And afterwards, all you need to do is just to cover up with a lace bias strip, and when you're done with that, we'll also proceed with how to make the puffy bowl. So that is just it for now. Just stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so now it's time for us to make the puffy bowl. Now I'll be taking two materials which you can actually see. The blue one will be for the short crinoline, while the cream color fabric will be for the purple crinoline. Now I'm taking the measurement of my crinoline, and I'm actually taking a 26 inches, 26 inches. 25 inches. 25 inches of it. You can actually take 26 inches, however you want your bowl to be as large as. So, and also the length is 6.5 inches. So now I'll also be taking the measurement of the small crinoline, which is a 23 inches by a 2.5 inches wide. Hope you understand. The length is 2.5 inches, the breadth is 26 inches, 23 inches. So that's that for that. And now it's just time for me to, you can see I'm actually trying to show you on the camera. So after that, we'll have to cut out the fabric that I'll be using to cover this. So the idea of this is that my main tip here is just for you to know that when you measure a crinoline of 6 inches wide, the length is 6 inches, that's 6.5. Have it at the back of your mind, except if you don't want your bowl to be puffy. Have it at the back of your mind that the fabric will be a 12 inches or roughly 11.5 inches, so that the crinoline can actually squeeze inside the fabric and give that puffy look. So if you are cutting a 12 inches fabric wide, that's a 12 inches length with a 26 inches width or breadth, then you should know that when you fix your fabric, when you fix your crinoline, it will bend the crinoline inside the fabric and give that puffy look on this thing. So I've sewn my fabrics, and it's all sewn, both of them, and all I need to do is just to fix my crinoline inside. And when I fix it, you see the effect it gives, because even the small one that gives a 2.5 length, I actually had to cut a 4 inches. So when I stitch, roughly it's giving me a 3 inches. No, I had out 4.5. Then when I stitch, it gave me like a 4 inches wide. So you can see how the crinoline inside is already burnt, and it's giving us that puffy nature. Now imagine when you now properly bend it, it will actually give you the puffy nature. Okay, so you can see the effects now. See how puffy they are both looking, and so that is just it. So I've also cut a little fabric that I'll be using to attach both of them together. So you can as well just stitch them together or do what I'm doing actually. So after which I'll be using a gum or an adhesive to glue the fabric together, and my bow is formed. So that's just the idea of it all, and the next is just how to embellish the beautiful fascinator you saw at the starting of the video. So actually I've started embellishing my fascinator. All I could just show is just few of the embellishments, and the whole thing is just how to put some flowers together and attach the bow, and your fascinator is all ready. So at this point I actually want you guys to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. And I'm actually saying, I'm shouting out to my lovely subscribers, thank you so far for what you've been doing, and I really appreciate you. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I will urge you guys to please subscribe to the channel, and you're welcome to FeSe family. And also, if you have any other question you would like to ask, please drop it at the comment down below. And there are some informations now. If I also would also drop, I'll also drop the link of the video where I blocked the fascinator base I used in this video. So if you've not watched it, you'll be able to click on the link and watch the way to block and stiffen a fascinator.